Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2022 Kia Carnival EX, the replacement for the Sedona. The Carnival is all new for 2022, even though this is 2021, but it does look very, very good. It does feature a brand new key, well, Kia's new key with its new Kia badging. Total price on this one, wow, that's not bad. $39,530. The EX is just below the SX. Pretty cool to have that. This one's finished in Astra Blue over gray interior colors. This is where it gets absolutely insane. Just look at all the cargo space in here. It is absolutely insanity. It does look absolutely awesome. Now, this features the 3.3 liter V6, the same one that you'll find in the Telluride. Great motor. And I believe it's the same motor that the Stinger has, just without the turbos. Not bad at all. But without further ado, let's hop on in, check out the interior. Very, very nice. There's that new Kia badge again. Not bad at all, especially for the price point. Reversing camera. And now we'll go into drive and take it for one. What is it, an 8-speed? Yep. Actually, no, I'm sorry. It's a 3.5 liter V6 mated to the 8-speed automatic. I am mistaken. So I think this might be a new block, unless the Telluride has a 3.5 and I'm just stupid. Both are possibilities. Got some nice tellies coming in. Yeah, we all call them tellies around here. Yeah, this is definitely a new block, because it doesn't sound like the Telluride. I mean, it obviously sounds similar, but it's not identical. flying through here. All right, we're good. Now, compared to the Sedona, this drives very, very different. The Sedona, I liked it, but it was kind of minivan-y. I mean, obviously, it's a minivan. This drives much more like an SUV, I would say. Your seating position is very, very high up. I am as low as you can go, and I can still see the hood. So that's definitely a huge change. I am in sport mode. Steering is nice and lightweight. Easy to use. Now keep in mind, I was just driving Aston Martins yesterday or the day before. So what might seem like heavy steering to some people is extremely light to me. Over the bump. This suspension too is actually magnificent. Just how smooth the ride is, it's really impressive. That was something I was definitely surprised about, because most of the time the ride is extremely firm. But like, check this out. That's awesome. I mean, all in all, I will 100% say this is a huge improvement over the Sedona. I liked the Sedona, had a nice V6 under the hood, but it was just beginning to feel so dated. The segment had clearly moved on, but Kia was lagging behind. Well, I'm glad they did, because it took time to develop something like this. But once they did and released it, oh, it's magnificent. A huge improvement over the Sedona. I can actually test the traction control here over some. Yeah, not bad. They used to be covered in snow last time I was filming. But now the bark mulch guys just didn't know how to put bark mulch where bark mulch goes. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.